Here's how easy it is to use UniFi OCR software. Click Start Item, and then Upload Document. Select your file, and hit Upload. The system will take a few seconds to analyze your document. And there you have it. Your file is uploaded, and the text extracted into UniFi, saving you time and eliminating manual data entry. From here, the invoice can be approved by the relevant parties and automatically posted into your accounting system. Setting up your app to work with OCR is straightforward. From the App Information section, select one of the machine learning services. It's now time to edit the app. To show fields you want to see on the document, select an AI service that matches the data type you are expecting. This will also work on columns in a table, which should match to a table on the source document. Once you have finished, save and publish your app, and you'll be ready to start using the machine learning capabilities of UniFi. UniFi OCR uses various machine learning and AI technologies. So, not only can it identify data, but it can understand the context for more accurate results.